Welcome viewers. At the outset, I introduce myself. Myself, Professor U.K. Bandyopadhyay, former registrar and subsequently head of PGDBM program of IISWBM Kolkata. The institution is affiliated with the University of Calcutta. It is the first management institution in the country as well as in Southeast Asia as such. I had the privilege of working there for 17 years, out of which 10 years as registrar and 7 years as PGDBM head. I have also worked in industries more than 30 years, in fact 31 years in 6 industries including 2 MNCs. There also I had the opportunity of gaining lot of experience of industry people, starting from unskilled workmen to the highest ranking managers also. So I have a unique exposure of academic experience and industry experience together. So I thought, why should I not share my experience in the troublesome period? From my experience of solving problems at various times and situations, if it could help others. With that end in view, I have selected a topic. Yes, it is my deliberate selection of the topic, that is managing changes in the business of life and livelihood in turmoil period. To the procedure, the way in which the video sessions will be distributed in each week, I shall first describe about the present situation. As you all know, this COVID-19 situation, that is pandemic, has created a havoc on the human race as such. All the countries of the world have been suffering and no expert cannot say when this COVID will ultimately go. Though researchers are trying their hard to invent a vaccine, but even it is not sure that when it could be introduced. Even if it is introduced, even if it is that the COVID is gone, but the lasting effect, the massacre that has created deadly virus is dangerous, and human race will take years and years to come down out of this tremendous shock and massacre created by this pandemic. However, ours being a subcontinent having 138 crores of people living with various languages, culture, habits, outlook, practices, behavior, etc. In our case, the problem is definitely much more complicated. In fact, this COVID has attacked all round, everywhere, in every country. In our country also, the economic front is absolutely in a very precarious position. The GDP level has come to minus level. Unemployment has reached to 11%. Presently, existing unemployed people in the country is more than 12 crores as estimated. So, with this also the social order has been totally devastated. Education front is also being online. So there is a kind of a challenge. Those people who do not have the capacity or power to purchase Android phones, their children are not being able to attend such sort of online education. So these are a kind of a chaotic situation. Also, the artificial intelligence level has definitely been changing regularly day by day, but the fraudsters all over the world is also using this artificial intelligence in their own way, including terrorists also are using. So in such a situation, problems are definitely going to come to us on a heavy estimation. Friends, we are in the old world but on the threshold of entering into a new world. So we have to relearn our existing habit, practices, behavior, approach, outlook, etc. and relearn the new outlook, new social order, new economic order, new environmental order, new way of looking at things, all we have to learn. So we have to relearn things. In the process, number of problems are definitely emerging and also will emerge in a bigger way. We are not being able to estimate what will be the extent of such problems and the challenges that will be thrown upon us. However, we have to stand up and have the courage of conviction to face those challenges. With this end in view, I have decided that entire program will be actually distributed to 10 video sessions of around 10 minutes and will be released in every weekend, that is on every Sunday as far as it is possible now. So we shall be coming up on the next week, next Sunday, with a issue. Firstly that I shall take is the challenges of working from home continuously or permanently in the present social and economic structure and system in our country. It will be discussed in the first next video session, that is on next Sunday. Thereafter, I shall be discussing about all the attributes, that is individual attributes as well as the management skills, that is I have to say some example. Individual attributes like first thing, to attain the capacity of decision making power and analyzing problems. So every problem has to be analyzed in its perspective. So that sort of power has to be personal attributed. Second thing is that the patience, skill of building of patience. Like these things, individual attributes can be developed so that we can internally get strengthened ourselves. And also certain managerial skill or management skill like communication skill, like interpersonal relationship skill, like attitude development skill, like inducting discipline strictly in our way of life and the members of family, and also the skill in managing time. All these issues are there, and by all practicing and inculcating all these attributes and management tools, we can definitely strengthen ourselves, more strong ourselves, and we can make ourselves more fit to face any challenges or situation. So friends, we are expecting to come back on next Sunday with the issue challenges on working from home, and before that I would request all of you to please share and comment this program to my email address, which is being displayed in the screen, and also would request you to please like, share and subscribe this program. So with the hope of meeting next Sunday, we shall be meeting again with this hope, and thanking you and goodbye.